Hello friend, welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla, your quant educator at Entry app. So guys, you all know that ki IDBI has announced assistant manager around 650 plus posts are there. So today this notification was announced and now in this video we'll be discussing ki what was the previous year cutoff. Yes guys, what was the sectional cutoff and what was the overall cutoff in the previous year paper. Guys, the previous year paper analysis I've already done in a separate video. If you didn't watch that video, then guys you must watch that video. I will provide you the link in description field and you can also watch that video in the channel. So guys, let me review the previous year cutoff of IDBI assistant manager guys. So let us see. But before that, let us see what was the paper pattern guys. So this is the paper pattern. You can have the screenshot as well. 200 question for the 200 marks were there, composite time of 2 hours guys. And let us see what is the previous year cutoff. So guys, this is a sectional cutoff. This is a sectional cutoff. So reasoning and DIDS, data analysis interpretation section guys, 60 marks. Out of 60 marks guys, 14.00, marks was the sectional cutoff for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates. Whereas your EWS and unreserved category guys, 20.5 was the sectional cutoff. For the English language, 40 marks. Overall 40 marks, out of 40 marks 12.25 for SC, ST, OBC and PWD, EWS unreserved 16.75. Quantitative aptitude 40 marks section guys, and 7.75 was the SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates, whereas sectional cutoff for 11.75 for EWS unreserved category. Banking and financial awareness guys, SC, ST, OBC, PWD category 8.00, whereas EWS and unreserved category guys 13.00 was the sectional cutoff. So guys, you can see here 11.75 was the sectional cutoff for the unreserved category. So you can observe the level of the question paper guys. Level of the overall level of the question paper vary from moderate to difficult guys. I have to say from moderate to difficult. Now let us see what was the overall cutoff in the previous year paper. This is the overall cutoff guys. This is the overall cutoff for IDBI assistant manager, whereas for SC guys 108.75, for ST 95.50, OBC 120.75, EWS 125.00, whereas for unreserved category guys this cutoff was 129.25. Yes guys, out of 200, 129.25, you can observe the level of the question paper. For the PWD candidate, for HH category 55.0, and whereas for OH category 113.75, for VH category guys 128.75. So this was guys the overall cutoff for the IDBI assistant manager previous year paper. And guys, here is the waiting list also. You can check waiting list is also there. 101 85.25, 114.25, 118.25, 118.25 and 52.00, 100.75 and 109.25 for SC, ST, OBC, EWS, UR and PWD category respectively. So guys, this is the overall cutoff. I will be coming with more videos. If you will have any doubts guys, then please let me know by commenting in the comment box. And you can also connect with me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number if you have any query and you can't discuss that query under the comment section guys. So you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number. So guys, please let me know what are your question regarding this IDBI assistant manager recruitment 2021. I will definitely reply or I will definitely come with a separate video on that. And guys, let me know one more thing guys, if you are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021, so guys you can join our Entry Gold Banking, where you will be getting live classes, complete study plan, WhatsApp group, PDF material, recorded classes, 24 personalized mentorship you will be getting guys. And mentors and teachers will be Akash Shukla, Mirja Beg, Shivani Solan, Kashish, Rahul and Ashima Shukla guys. So for that purpose you have to fill a small Google form that you can find the description of this Google form, you can find in the description field guys. And yeah, in the comment, pin comment as well. And guys, one more thing I had to say, free trial classes guys, free of cost trial classes are available for the Entry Gold Banking. Yes guys, so you can avail the free trial classes benefit also. This is Akash Shukla signing off and good luck for the exam guys. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel also. I will be coming more useful video on IDBI or other banking exam also. Thank you very much guys. Good luck for the exam and please stay tuned.